Greetings, my peeps. Welcome to another video, another episode. You know it's your guy Robert Lifestyle. Today we're out here on the beach side. We have to fry some bird on the beach and eat with bread and thing and have a nice little adventure. So, I already clean up my birds, prepare them, and I have some allspice season here and I have pour on it, you know. Season them up here now, get them fry up. Some white crown and some white wing dove, you know. Put on a little salt over it, you know. Yeah, and as you can see, I already catch up the fire and it will go and catch. I put on the pot, make it go on hot. Stay tuned, my peeps. I have a skin process. Niceness, yeah? Bless up yourself. White crown fishing, you know? Yeah, man. Out from the inside. One whole of vibes, you know? Yeah, man. That was nice, man. And look for more from this, I'm going to catch a swim around, same way. You know, say a catch and cook with the pan, you know? Yeah, man. A real way, man. Just stay tuned and look on it. It's got nice. I wish you were here. Eat some of that bird here with me, you know. Alright, that's enough. Just stay tuned and watch them fry up, you know. Very nice, Mr. Yeah, man. Lovely place, my face. They say the place is nice views and things, pretty big, just clean up the side ice and things. A nice white sand. Lovely, you know. Yeah, man. Now go see where you are going to look from this. Just stay tuned. Big up yourself. Fire getting bad, guys. Yeah. I have to hold it down, you know? Yeah, man. Birds with beard. Bird season up, but me just have my portion, you know? Yeah, man. Just take them off of the fridge and I'm gonna do my thing done. Yeah, man, I see how them look golden brown, pretty. One here all done fry already, you know, guys. Yeah. Yeah, man. That is it. Hey guys, all everything you go on to, you know. Bird roast on the grill. Some grilled bird and fry bird. What y'all? Bird in the dish, bird on the grill. Yes, no man. Skill with skill, man. And we out here at the beach still, you know? Yeah. Get two of them grill up and flavor up, down. Yeah, man. Stay tuned, my peeps. I pay niceness, man. We just go on do it one step at a time. Yeah, man. I'm going to tell you about it. Nice can done. White crown pigeon and whole wheat bread. Yummy. I'm going to tell you about it. See it? It's nice. You should have been here. You know, crazy, you know? You love fish here. So when I say you should have been here, you should have been here. You don't have your share. Mercy. Faith. Thanks a lot for watching. And remember, for likes, share, comment, and touch the red button for me, please. Subscribe button. Yeah, man. Notification. So when I put up one, you get it first hand. Yeah, man. Just stay tuned and bless up yourself. Love you all, guys. Enough respect.